I like the confidence of this crew. Everybody leaves their bike headlight on when they pull over. Capture your jaw moving while you chew, biting. Oh yeah. It's like a Snickers commercial, but better. Real men of genius.
Can you get that in slow-mo too?
Maybe, we'll see. It's like pelican, just like push it down your throat. You don't need to chew. You have bile for that. I got teeth in my stomach. Manly men. Redefining masculinity one bite at a time.
Where's the old?
It's a stylish two-piece suit you got going on there.
I stole it from Anka.
Oh hell yeah. Matchy your bike in all the colors too. God damn.
Oh yeah, that's true.
little too much fuel.
Yeah, that does not stop. When I was looking at the thing, I'm like, wow, 3.8 gallons. Like, I didn't think I was that low. And then I felt something on my leg. I'm like, oh shit. Oh, that's cool. Gonna let that dry out a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna need to steal more hardware from you.
What happened?
I need more hardware.
Okay, we'll figure it out. One thing at a time. I'm just documenting the...
Little melted ice cream cone.
It was like this. Very good. Alright, Cake, what's going on with you?
You got a lick to get to the...
How many licks? Yeah, many.
I'm trying to see if the bolt wets anywhere. This all just happened to fall off.
But they're yelling.
Actually, about as good of a...
This happened right now?
Yeah.
Okay, then just don't move. It's fine. Let me take my helmet off. I'm gonna take my helmet off. Okay. This segment is called "The Boys Are Going Back to Town to Get Some Food and Sustenance." Wearing not enough gear.
The boys are back.
The boys are back in town. I swear, I keep quoting that song. I'll find it when we get back. The boys are back in town. It's a whole thing. I forget if it was Boogie Nights or where that was used.
Now, this is going to be an interesting one.
We're gonna take it easy and it's gonna be just fucking fine. Right, Tyler? Is that correct?
You're just going to be cradled by the two bags there.
We'll be fine. Is Mike paying for the site or where you at?
Oh, wait, where did Mike go?
He left.
Oh, he left? Oh, well, I have some money, too.
You don't have a lot.
No, I have like $5, which
You
is
should
also
concede that
nice.
you practically have no money at this point.
Just spent all my money. I need to go to an ATM, actually. I
Same.
wonder if there's something in town.
It's good to have cash. Although it was a very interesting experience to see that Uncle Tom's Cabin accepts cards these days with Starlink.
Yeah.
That's a whole bunch of shit wired together.
Jumping into the 21st century here.
Anything about that? We're gonna write on paper using pencil.
Haven't changed, had much to say, but man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around,
6 maybe?
how you was, where you could be
67?
found. Told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy.
Yeah, this says this says KTM, yeah, perfect.
I said,
I'll meet you at the payment post.
Okay. Oh, you guys are at the gym?
I'll go there.
you know that chick that used to dance a lot? Every night she'd be on the floor shaking what she'd got. Man, when I tell you she was cool, she was red hot. I mean, she was steaming. At that time over at Johnny's place, well, this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. Man, we just fell about the place. If that chick don't wanna know, forget her. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. Spread the word around. Guess who's back in town? You spread the word around. Friday night they'll be dressed to kill down at Dino's Bar and Grill. The drink will flow and blood will spill. And if the boys wanna fight, you better let them. That jukebox in the corner blasting out my favorite song. The nights are getting warmer, it won't be long. Won't be long till summer comes. Now that the boys are here again,